Today we are making the mold with the new formula of silicone from Craft Resin. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Epoxy Princess by Alicia, and I'm Alicia. Today we are going to be trying out the brand new silicone by Craft Resin. This is the 15A. They have 30A, 15A. I'm not sure which other ones. I'm not really a mold maker, but this is exciting to try. I know the lower the number, the more flexible the silicone is. So one of my friends did make this master. She 3D printed it and put a housing around it and put your hot glue. You do not want your silicone to leak out. So I did test this with water to make sure that none of the silicone was going to leak out. So basically it is a 1-to-1 formula, like 50-50, just like their 50-50 resin. So I did 1 cup of part A and 1 cup of part B. And I have it mixed up here. It is a milky white substance color. And you want to mix it real good, scraping the sides and the bottom for about 5 minutes. You can't really see swirls in it like resin, but that's okay. This does have a 4-hour cure time. So I am going to pour this in, and then I will come back in about 4 hours, and then we can demold it and see our new mold. So like I said, I'm not really a mold maker, so this is new territory for me, but and you know, it's a game changer for a lot of people. You know, if you want that one certain mold that you can't find, well, now you can make it, and Craft Resin is making that possible. Don't forget to hit all those buttons, like, follow, comment, and share. So we are just going to go in and get into all the little crevices first. Make sure all those are filled up. Those are the negative spaces in your mold. This one's kind of detailed, but I love the surfboards. I think they are so cute. And I can't wait to see how this turns out. We're just gonna pour this all in here slowly. And they do have the 30A for a more stiffer silicone. But if you want little details like this, I would definitely suggest like the 15A or lower. I did mix up 2 cups. I'm hoping that's enough. It looks like it should be. We just want them covered to the top. So this would actually be the bottom. And they are glued down because you don't want them to float. And they look like they're all nice and covered. So in 4 hours, we will be back and to demold this. Bye. Good morning and welcome back. I did not get to this yesterday, so it is the next day. We are making the mold with the new formula of silicone from Craft Resin. So we did pour this yesterday. I actually did have some leakage, but that's okay. It comes right off. So we are going to demold this mold and see what it looks like. Okay, perfect. All right, here we go. We got this so far. So we're gonna gently try to remove it from the master without ripping it. Like, we don't wanna rip it. Remember, this is like only my 2nd time making a mold. I'm a resin artist, not a mold maker. The silicone does not stick to this material. Gently pull it out, trying not to rip the silicone. The flower one I'm kind of worried about because of all the details. All right, you guys, we did it. So this is our mold that now we can pour. How cool. So we did this using the 15A from Craft Resin. If you are looking to start making your own molds, I definitely recommend. But yeah, we will make something with this and it'll be awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Epoxy Princess by Alicia, and I hope you have a great day.